Sprouting mint, or growing mint from seeds or cuttings, offers several benefits. Here are some of the advantages of sprouting mint. 1. Fresh and aromatic flavor. Sprouted mint leaves have a vibrant, fresh flavor and a strong, invigorating aroma. Adding freshly sprouted mint to dishes, beverages, or desserts can enhance their taste and provide a refreshing element. 2. Culinary versatility. Mint sprouts can be used in various culinary preparations. They can be added to salads, soups, sauces, smoothies, cocktails, and even infused into oils or vinegars. The versatility of mint makes it a great addition to a wide range of recipes. 3. Digestive aid. Mint has been traditionally used as a digestive aid due to its ability to soothe the stomach and alleviate digestive discomforts such as bloating.
4. Aids respiratory health. Mint contains menthol, which has decongestant properties, and can help relieve respiratory issues like congestion, coughs, and cold symptoms. The aroma of sprouted mint can also provide a refreshing sensation and clear nasal passages. 5. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Mint is rich in antioxidants that help protect the body against damage from harmful free radicals. It also possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and associated health conditions. 6. Herbal remedy. Mint sprouts have been used in traditional medicine for their potential therapeutic effects. They are believed to have calming properties, promote relaxation, and alleviate headaches or migraines. 7. Easy to grow. Mint is a relatively easy herb to grow.
8. Ornamental value. Apart from its culinary and medicinal uses, sprouted mint plants can also serve as decorative additions to gardens, balconies, or indoor spaces. Mint's lush green leaves and aromatic presence can enhance the visual appeal of your surroundings. Remember that mint plants can spread quickly, so it's advisable to contain them in pots or dedicated areas to prevent them from overtaking your garden. Overall, sprouting mint can provide you with a fresh and versatile herb that offers numerous culinary and health benefits.